Are you, girl? Let go of me.
I'm scared.
You're scared?
I'm scared. Give me a minute until like if I see a bitch running out.
Not now, Hopkins. Moses, go walk. Now he's headed straight for us. Arrow's tail with an unimaginable.
You don't have to walk so fast.
Not now, Hopkins.
No, that's a worker. No, that's a worker.
For the first time in New York history, people froze to death in the middle of July.
It's okay.
For the first time in New York history, people froze to
No, you
death
don't. Come on.
in the middle.
You don't gotta walk so fast. Don't worry. I'm right here with you, girl.
I am worried though.
No, it's okay. Look at the set.
Stop walking so slow.
No, that's what you're supposed to do.
What in tarnation?
Do you need to hold on to me?
Welcome to the new Paranormal Research Center.
Never mind, come back.
What's happening?
Oh hell no! Woo!
Oh, shit.
Woo!
Oh, that's so cool.
Turn to rivers of ice. Your bones
This isn't how I wanted to spend my golden years.
Oh, shit.
disgusting.
I'm not a ghost! I'm not a ghost!
Disgusting blob. Ew, disgusting
Fire Master. Golden years.